All right, let's talk about one of the most essential tools in the toolbox for anyone hunting for radio frequency interference, the Discone antenna. If you've ever thought about how on earth you'd even begin to find one disruptive signal in our ridiculously crowded airwaves, well, the Discone is pretty much where that whole investigation gets started. And just a quick heads up, this explainer is part 10 in our deep dive on RFI hunting. Today, we're zoning in on this one specific but super important piece of gear. So let's just ask the big question right up front. How do you find that one rogue signal swimming in a massive sea of invisible noise? It's a huge challenge, right? I mean, you can't see it, you can't hear it without the right equipment, and the source could be coming from literally any direction. And that's because, let's face it, the modern radio spectrum is just an incredibly busy place. Just think about it for a second. You've got Wi-Fi, cell signals, broadcast radio and TV, GPS, emergency services. It's a constant, overlapping storm of electromagnetic energy. Trying to find the one signal that's causing trouble is like trying to hear a specific person whisper in the middle of a packed stadium. It's tough. This is exactly where the Discone antenna comes into play. The best way to think of it is like an investigator's wide-angle lens, or maybe a giant surveillance net for radio waves. See, it's not designed to pinpoint a source, not yet. Its job is to give you a complete picture of everything that's happening in the air all around you. It's the absolute first, most critical step in pretty much any RFI hunt. So what makes the Discone so perfect for this job? Well, it really comes down to two key superpowers. Let's start with the first one, its amazing ability to listen in every single direction all at the same time. A Discone has what we call an omnidirectional reception pattern. Now, in plain English, that just means it hears signals equally well from all horizontal directions simultaneously. You don't have to rotate it, you don't have to point it, you just set it up, and it sits there soaking in the entire 360-degree radio environment. And this brings us to a really useful analogy. A directional antenna, which we've talked about in other parts of this series, that's like a spotlight. You use it when you already have a pretty good idea of where to look. A Discone, though, it's a floodlight. Its whole job is to light up the entire area first, so you can spot anything that looks out of place before you start zooming in. Now for its second superpower, which really builds on that first one, and that's its incredible bandwidth. This is what truly takes the Discone from being just a simple antenna to being a seriously powerful survey tool. So, a pretty typical Discone can listen effectively across a massive range of frequencies. We're talking often from 100 megahertz all the way up to 2 gigahertz, sometimes even higher. To give you some perspective, that single chunk of spectrum covers everything from your local FM radio stations, aviation and public safety bands, all the way up through cellular signals, GPS, and all sorts of wireless data services. One antenna really does see it all. So, what that means is when you hook a Discone up to a spectrum analyzer, you get this complete panoramic view of your local radio landscape. You can see every single active signal, the powerful ones, the faint ones, across that whole massive range. It is the ultimate reconnaissance tool for sure. Okay, so we get its superpowers, but how does an investigator actually put this thing to work? Well, that brings us to the first practical step in any RFI hunt, doing a baseline spectrum survey. The process is pretty straightforward, but every step is crucial. First, you get that antenna mounted as high as you possibly can. You want the best line of sight possible. Second, you absolutely have to use high-quality, low-loss cable, because you don't want a cheap cable killing a weak signal before it even gets to your gear. And third, you do what's called a baseline scan. This is basically a snapshot of what the spectrum looks like when everything is normal, so you have something to compare it to when that mystery interference pops. This quote really nails the whole philosophy behind using a Discone. The goal is comprehensive detection of all signals present, not focused investigation of specific frequencies. You're casting that wide net. You're not trying to aim a spear. That part, well, that comes later. And that kind of leaves us with a final thought to chew on. If you were to do a wideband survey of your own radio environment, like right where you are, right now, what do you think you'd find? What hidden signals, what invisible conversations, what strange sources of interference might it reveal? It's a huge, invisible world out there. And the Discone, well, that's your first window into it.